going to draw a little box over here. Okay. All right. And we're going to have the light, the headlights, okay? And we have the bumper, like that. So the bumper, just like that. And we draw the hood and the windshield. So this is gonna come up to here and we're going to join it up over here. All right. Okay, and now we finish up the grill. There you go. So we have our little Mercedes, okay, grill. We have the side mirrors, and you can have the logo. All right. Now let's continue with the body. All right. So we're going to extend this line just a little bit, like that, and all right, comes up like that. The bumper in the back has to be like, you don't have to extend it too much because it's a little further, okay? And we draw the fender where the wheel is going to be. And the back one should be a little bit smaller, you know, to kind of elongate the car. All right, so now we have the basic form of the car, and now we can fill in the details. All right, so we're gonna have one side light over here, and the doors. Okay, like that, and there we go. So we can finish with a bumper over here. Okay, all right. And now let's draw the wheels. So come up here. And just like that. And this one also. Just like that. All right. And then we can draw the ground. So we have our little Mercedes, so we can decorate the wheels. You can decorate any way you want. It's up to you. Yeah. That's the door handles. And that's pretty much it. But I'm thinking, all right, well, let's finish with a few lights in the bonnet, in the bumper. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm thinking maybe we can add a little more. So let's say the car is parked in front of a house. So let's draw a house in front of the car. I mean, behind the car. So there is a house, like a mansion. So the line is going to go through behind the car, and it's going to appear over here, up. So the basic shape of our house is going to be like that, and we can continue down that way. And the entrance, we have a nice window over here, another window over here. Yeah, let's finish up the windows. Okay, all right, and we can, okay, the roof of the house. Okay, and we can draw a little bit. We can add a little more to the house to make it more interesting. All right, another one here. Okay, So it's like the car is parked in front of the house. Um, let's see, is there anything else we can add? Like, I think we can fill in a few details. Yeah, and the same thing here. Okay, all right. Maybe a tree behind the house. Yeah, that would be nice. So let's add a little tree. Well, not a little tree, a big one behind the house. Now, it might not seem very obvious, but once you color it, it's gonna stand out. So we can leave it like that. Yep, and there we go. We have our Mercedes Benz luxury car parked in front of a nice mansion. So now it's up to you how you want to color it. You can color whatever you want. So now the next step, what we're going to do next is to color it, okay? And I'm gonna color it the way I want to. You can color it the way you want it. It's up to you. Who cares? But once I finish coloring, I'll show you the finished products. I mean the finished work. Okay. All right. So see you in a bit.